Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Solana on Binance, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase SOL through the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Step 1. Access Binance by visiting their website or downloading the official Binance app. Create an account by clicking Register and providing your email or phone number. Step 2. Complete the identity verification process by submitting personal information and government-issued identification documents. This is mandatory for trading privileges. Step 3. Enable account security features including two-factor authentication through Google Authenticator or SMS. Consider enabling withdrawal whitelist for additional protection. Step 4. Deposit funds by clicking Buy Crypto and selecting your preferred payment method. Options include credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or peer-to-peer trading. Step 5. Navigate to the trading section after funding your account. Search for SOL or Solana and select your preferred trading pair like SOL/USDT. Step 6. Choose your order type. Market order for instant purchase at current price or limit order to buy at a specific price point. Enter the amount of SOL to purchase. Step 7. Review the transaction details including fees and total cost. Click Buy SOL to execute the trade. Your Solana will appear immediately in your Binance Spot wallet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.